If your washing machine is not working and only makes a sound when it starts, you most likely have a problem with the main circuit board. This problem is common in Samsung washing machines and is relatively easy to fix. To deal with this, you need to remove the main board, which is behind the control panel. And screw and remove all cables. Here under this cable is hidden the problem. This relay is defective and not working correctly. It needs to be replaced with a new one. The most difficult and specific part of this repair is that the board is sealed with moisture-proof silicone, and to replace the relay you must remove the silicone around it and under it on the other side of the board. If you deal with this, the washing machine will work again for a long time.